the entire tech industry is being restructured around AI. And the developers who understand AI systems aren't just getting better roles, they are getting different roles. Roles that pay more. Roles that didn't even existed 2 years ago. 3 big shifts have changed the game. First, companies stop caring about the models in isolation. It's no longer enough to train a model and hand off a pickle file. Companies want you to deploy it, monitor it in production, track its cost, and retain it when performance degrades. The model may be only 20% of the work. The system around it looks like another 80% of the work. Second, we have moved from single models to full AI systems. RAG pipeline, autonomous agents, multi-agent orchestration. This is essentially what happened when front-end went from jQuery script to full React architectures. The complexity just jumped. And so did the value of the people who could handle it. Third, entirely new roles have appeared. AI engineer, agentic engineering, lead AI architects. These titles weren't on even job boards in 2022. Today, they are some of the highest paying jobs. Fastest growing roles in tech. We did not change the curriculum because the old one was broken. We changed it because the opportunity for developers has massively expanded. And the old curriculum was only covering a fraction of it. The core 5 months machine learning coding track stays intact. This is where you build your ML fundamentals properly. What's new is an entire 7-month machine learning and Gen AI engineering track, which is layered on top of it. Think of it like the machine learning fundamentals are your backend. The new AI engineering track is a full stack layer that makes everything production ready. MLOps and production pipelines. Docker for model packaging, MLflow for experiment tracking, AWS SageMaker, model serving, and production monitoring. You will go from I trained a model to I deployed, monitored, and maintained a model in production. That's the jump from a junior to senior in the AI world. Foundation of AI engineering and RAG systems. Async Python, data validation with Pydantic, prompt engineering, jailbreak defense, vector databases, embeddings, and RAG with proper evaluation pipelines. If you have ever built an API that just wrapped an LLM call and thought, this can't be production grade, you are right. This module teaches you how to do it properly, agentic AI and multi-AI agent orchestration. You will build autonomous AI agents that can reason, plan, use tools like browsers and databases, manage memory across sessions, and coordinates with other agents. Frameworks include LangChain, LangGraph, Creo AI, and Microsoft Autogen. If you have ever built event-driven microservices, the mental model translates directly.